And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over the weekly Splasive airdrop Splash network, and the team continues to grow. These are the current stats. Right now we have almost 10 Splash available. I'm going to airdrop half of these today. Total Splash deposit here we have 171. That's 7,700. These are the team rewards. The current max payout 27,000, and now we have 54 players in the team. Thank you guys for those who have recently joined. We have the new interface. I'm going to test this new interface out and we're going to see how it works. So we're going to do things a little different today and selecting who is going to receive the airdrop today. And I'm going to claim these rewards right off the bat so that I have them available to airdrop. So I'm going to claim here. Accept this. Let's wait for the transaction to be confirmed. And I'm really digging the new site. Now we're just gonna have to put it to the test to see how it works. This is the first time I try this. Okay, after taxes, now we're at 8.82 Splash. So that means I'm going to give today 5 Splash and I'm going to reinvest the rest of the Splash. So today, 5 people will get Splash tokens. So what I'm going to do today for the airdrop, I'm going to give the top 5 depositors 1 Splash each. So let's go to the team airdrop. Let's use my address. And let's start off with, let's see if someone has deposited 100 plus Splash. Let's get the participants. And there is one. And the wallet address is 383. So 383, you're going to get 1 Splash. Let me save this address. So there is someone here who has deposited over 100 Splash. Thank you very much. I'm going to put him here. I'll double check just to make sure I haven't sent him any Splash. So he's going to get 1 Splash. And today's date is 3/27/2022. I'll be doing airdrops Sunday or Monday depending on the available time that I have, but it's either Sunday or Monday. Today I have time, so I'm doing it today, Sunday. And the current price of Splash is, where is the price here? 44.83. So here we go. And Splash has been on a complete rocket ship. So let's process that one. Enter the amount of Splash. I'm going to give 1 Splash there. Let's approve this. Okay, 45 cents to send that. Let's wait on that. It's been approved, and let's try to send it now. Airdrop sent. Let's check our total. Okay, that was sent. 7.882 Splash left. So that one went through. And that one went to 383, the top depositor of the team. Congrats. Let's go and now change the filter here. We're doing an airdrop for the top depositor. So here we have here 5. We have 5 people. This is perfect. So let me just double check here. Make sure that I haven't already sent them any Splash. No, this one's good to go. C35, we're good. We're clear. Let's take a look at this one, 83. Oh, 83 is the one that we just did. So he's here. So he won't be receiving one. I already did him. 81. Let's check out 81 here. And 81 is clear. Perfect. We'll go with FC16. Let's see if he received before. Doesn't seem like it. Perfect. And the last one is 0C0. Let's see here. And it looks like we're good. So there we go. We have one that I already sent, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So these are today's airdrop winners. These are the top depositors. And let me copy this. And put today's date. And so far, I've airdropped $490. And 13 of you have received it. Next week, I'll mix it up a little bit. I think I'm going to do a complete team airdrop where everybody gets a small portion equally, just like how I do on my diamond team. Okay, so let's try this out. I've never done this before. He already received that, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people there. Splash amount. I'm gonna do 4 splash amount. That's 1 each. Number of recipients. Estimated splash per person 1. Okay, it's correct. Number of recipients 4. This is correct. Let's see if we can send this. So far, the application's been running very smooth. Very happy. All right, perfect. Airdrop sent. Let me look up here to see my balance. Okay, that worked out. So those are today's winners. The app is running very smoothly. Good job there. Everything is smooth. It's responsive. It doesn't feel stiff and easy to use. Much, much better now. And I did say on my previous video, I'm not sure if you guys missed it, due to this update and no fees for 24 hours, we're going to see Splash Network rally. I predicted that it was going to surpass $40 and I was wrong. It hit $50 and it's still trading around $43. This project has been in a complete terror. The first time I mentioned Splash Network, it was trading around $10 to $13. I did see it when it released around $5, $6, and it 10x already. This is amazing. A real success here. Great job there coming out of the Splash Network team. And now I'm going to deposit back into the pool. So let's deposit here. The total amount, deposit. I think it has too many decimals. This is a problem people run into. Let's see if that works now. Okay, that went through. Okay, so it's back in the pool here. I have 0 splash available and it looks like that went through. Perfect. So now we're fully hydrated. We gave a nice airdrop today. Congrats to those winners, top depositors, and we'll keep the party going for next week. Thank you for those of you who have joined. We have 54 team members now. We have total deposits here, $7,857, which is great. And hopefully next week we can do a bigger airdrop. Thank you for those of you who have recently joined, and also those of you who have been part of the team since day one. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I really appreciate it. I will leave links in the description of this video. If you want to join my team, I'll put the link and my Wave Starter address. Once you get my Wave Starter address, you put it here and you update your Wave Starter and you put my address in here. And make sure once you put it in here, you update it. And once it updates, make sure that it matches here. And that's how you join my team. Thank you very much. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.